Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Anagha and this is Megan Chase. Today we are going to talk about Indo-Western clothing. We are going to show you how to Indianize Western clothes according to your body shape and the occasion. So keep on watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Chicken curry or chicken work is the famous Lucknowi traditional embroidery work. What started out as a type of white on white work of art has now made its way into all types of clothes, be it short tops, palazzos, vintage shirts. Chicken work can be donned on or with anything for any occasion. It's neither too simple nor too grand, but could be your perfect look if you add heavy dupatta with a potly bag and a touring sandal or even juti type of footwear. The main fabric used are cotton, organza, etc., which can be appealing for both indoor and outdoor events. Patterns, images, or texts are printed on the cloth using wooden block, hence the name block print. The most commonly used fabric for block prints are cotton and linen, and the ink is normally plant-based, hence making the style easy to wear during summer. That is why you can see most Rajasthanis and Gujaratis wearing these type of clothes. They are subtle, stylish, contemporary, but ethnic as well. Block prints look great in any length, and they mostly don't even need accessories. They can be worn on a sightseeing tour to Hampi or just to sit at home and have a cup of tea with your family. Let's talk about bandhani. It's the most oldest and intricate form of tie-dye done by using fingernails to tie the cloth. Mainly being exported from Gujarat and Rajasthan, they are very colorful and bright with prints, a lot of prints, but mainly the dots. The most popular are the bandhani dupattas that can be paired with a plain black or white kurta or a salwar. They are simple, elegant, but if worn with silver antique accessories, it will make the perfect outfit for small gatherings or Zoom parties. Since the fabric used are mostly light and thin, these are the most comfortable cloth to wear during summers. People have started going minimalistic these days, but look at this embroidery. It makes the clothes look so interesting. These are handicrafted or handmade, done by using decorative objects like stones, mirrors, and sequins. These are made with traditional techniques and aesthetic. This involves a lot of manual labor which supports local artisans, which is also more towards being vocal for local. Indian traditional clothes have no end to possibilities, and you can always find an outfit for every occasion in your own closet. Outfits with slits are not just to flaunt your skin but also to carry it in a beautiful manner. Clothes with slits keep the style quotient high. Make sure they fit you perfectly. Select the dress colors according to the time of the day and pair these with heels or wedges to enhance the look. May I remind you that you don't need a perfect pair of legs to don a high slit. You just need a perfect bottom or innerwear. Make sure you go easy on the rest of the look so that the slit is highlighted. A slit makes you look taller and sleek, so be bold and make sure you carry that dress like a queen that you are. Long floor-length overcoats are the way to go. Be it for a small or a big event, it gives you the sophisticated finish and an added flair like no other. Even here, we can play around with colors. We can either go monotone or mix and match them. A long overcoat can be paired with short dresses, shorts, long dresses, palazzos. There's actually no limit. Small prints and patterns never go out of style, be it geometry, abstract, or floral. You can style your floral clothes in many ways, but the best way is to keep it simple. Choose a sober color from the dress and match the color of your shoes to that color. Or pair it with all black, that is, accessories, bags, and shoes to get that edgy look. Geometric patterns are always in style. They aren't just eye-catching but are also a part of vintage collection which has been passed through generations of fashion wear. We see the classic check patterns to smaller repeating prints all the time. They are comfortable and eye-pleasing and are seen through all categories of women wear including athleisure. Make sure you choose a solid color for the bottom if your top is printed or vice versa. There are a lot of geometric shapes that you can experiment with, and these shapes are always fun and exciting. We've finally reached the bottom wear part of the video. Bottom wear are supposed to be comfortable and movement friendly. None of us want to be in a Ross and his leather pants situation. Do we? Did you know these were called Sharara pants? Firstly, let's talk about wide-legged pants or also the Sharara pants. They can either be paired with a short top or an ankle-length top. They are simple, elegant, making it perfect outfit for small functions. Make sure you wear heels so that you don't look like you're going to drown in those pants. Next up are the printed pants. Like discussed for the printed tops, printed pants are better paired off with solid color tops, either short or long. These are very interesting and also perfect for a walk in the park. And all of our personal favorites, the palazzos. Palazzos are very comfortable, airy, loose, and can be paired with literally anything you have in your closet. Next up are dhoti pants. Dhoti pants are fun, confusing, but also look very pretty. If you're not convinced, go watch Sonam Kapoor in Khoobsurat. Also, if you're thinking that these pants are out of fashion, there is no way you can do that move without wearing these pants. Pair it with a set of juti, traditional earrings, and curtain bangles, you'll be good to go. Then we have cigarette cut or straight cut pants. These pants are best suited with a jacket and makes you look very bossy. So if you have people who are not taking you seriously, make sure you show up in front of them with this outfit. This outfit requires the least amount of or no accessories. So this is the easiest outfit to carry when you don't know what to wear. And lastly, we have our famous Punjabi Patiala pants that goes with a waistcoat or a salwar suit.